All right, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is the Richiku again, and here we talk about how to make money online. And today we're going to talk about how to create a mobile application, and I'm also going to be taking you guys step-by-step guide on how you can create this app. And then after creating the app, you will then integrate the Google AdMob or probably any other ads network that you really want to make use of. Okay, so that is the things that I'm going to be showing you guys today. So stay around. Now, without wasting much of our time, we're going to be making use of this AI ChatGPT, and this is the prompt I gave to the GPT. So I said I want to create an app that will help users to track their daily activities. That's to-do list app. I want this app to be a professional app with animations at the appropriate areas. All this in one HTML document. Give me the prompt that will enable DeepSeek AI to generate the code. Okay, and then here is um, the prompt here. So I'm going to make this prompt ready in our Telegram channel. So and I'm also going to drop the link to that Telegram channel at this video's description. Okay, so that once you tap on it, it will take you straight to our Telegram. Then, in case you are watching this video in the next 2 years, what you will type in there in that Telegram, once you get to that Telegram channel, you go to search, type in to-do list in capital letter, to-do list. Then this particular prompt will pop up. All right. So now, thank you for that. I'm going to copy this prompt right now, and then take it to DeepSeek. You can see I pasted the prompt here. Look at it here, and DeepSeek now came up with this code. So what we need to do now is to copy this code and then open a tab. So we check how it will look like. So I'm going to be making use of online code viewer called One Compiler. One code compiler. Okay, here is it. Then I'm going to use HTML because already we are working on HTML, all right? Then here is it. We're going to wipe all this and then paste the new code. Then we're going to click on run. Look at it. Welcome. Click the plus button to add task. Use CN for quick add drag task. You can see it. It is very nice. Look at toggle theme dark and then light. All right. So if you want to add new task to this particular app, you're going to click on add. And then here is where you're going to put in the name. Maybe okay. Let's say go to school. Go to school early. Then I'm going to select hi, and maybe here you're going to put in the category that you wish. I'm going to put personal. Then I'm going to set the date, which should be tomorrow, and then the due date. Let's say this, and this. Then that's it. Save. So immediately it's 4:38 a.m. This alarm will blow. It will blow, okay, and that will help you to manage your daily activities. Okay, you can see that when you click on pending, there are still tasks in the pending list. You understand? So you can check the statistics right now. Total task, just entered one, and then the pending is still this particular one that we just entered. All right. So this is a sound. If you want to turn off the sound, you can turn it off here. But if you want it active, you can leave it like this, so that whenever the task get triggered, it will work immediately. So that is all about this particular app. And then maybe in our next video, I will show you how to put in your AdMob ads. Okay, let's quickly do that. So we are going to arrange this app this code into a usable app that someone can download. Okay, so we're going to make use of this platform, App Creator 24. I'm going to make use of this App Creator 24. Then, as a new user, you just need to sign in with your Gmail, and that's all. Then click on continue. and you're going to save the control here. We are going to create our first app, which is going to be task what? Let's check the name here. Task Flow Pro. Task Flow Pro. We're going to use this as the app name. Then we're going to choose icon, but I'm going to make use of library here. Or in your own case, you may like to design good app icon. Okay. Now we're going to be using this. Okay, and then we put in add description. Then I'm going to let's go to and then click on create an empty app. Create an empty app. Then go to app manager. All right. Then go to section. Got section here. Then click on create section. And then select HTML here. Then use this second one, enter directly HTML code. Click on next. We're going to remove everything here. And then we'll go to this code and then get it. Copy everything. Go back to the app creator and paste the code here. Then click here and then put in home. Alright. Then come to this place. This open link externally, click on yes. Then allow zoom, no. Adapt the width, yeah, put down to refresh. Good. Then next thing is to click on save. Then after this, you go to design, go to menu type, then click on no menu, then click on save. Then we're going to download this app. So I'm going to scan this. I'm opening the app and then I'll use this phone now to scan this, then open it. Look at the app. I think the app is very neat. If you need to toggle dark mode, you can just put it on here. It's very simple. You can add task from here, put in everything. It looks very neat. It's very fine one. Look at it. You can even import data or export. You can see it's very simple. I think this is very nice. So the next thing that we need to do now is to put in ads in this particular app so that we then publish it on Google Play Store. So for you to do this, you go to your app creator and then type, you go straight to 8. This is it here. And then you put in your banner. This is AdMob. If you're using AppNest, you can place it here. If you're using start.io, this is it. Unity ad, what size? All these are the ad unit, the banner, the interstitial, native ads, in chat, rewarded video, all this thing. After that, you click on save, right? Then if you want to make use of direct link, like app creator 24 link, I mean their own ads, you can easily toggle this on and you start earning. Okay, you start earning. Anytime you want to see the statistic, you just click on statistics and you're going to see your balance, everything. Then the next payment eligibility is just $50. Once you hit $50, you will withdraw your money. Okay, and then that's for this. You guys, please subscribe to this particular channel because we're going to talk about how to publish this app on Google Play Store so that it will be available for all of you to install and use. Okay, so thank you for today. I'm very grateful.